Hi there, it's Jacqueline from Homeworks, etc. We are here with our DIY box for fall, which is coming out August 15th. So we just released our beach DIY box and we're excited to showcase the fall. We have some beautiful colors here. We've got Tuscan orange, champagne, and chocolate. So they really embrace those fall colors. So Fusion Mineral Paint is our paint of choice in our DIY box. And it comes with all the supplies that you need to DIY this tiered tray accessory decor. As you can see, the DIY box comes with all 6 of these wood pieces with all the stencils, foam brushes, and the instructions to DIY. What you also see is our deluxe box, which for first-time subscribers includes this beautiful concrete pot with an air plant, also the wood bead DIY kit, candle scent. Now coconut lime is our scent that we showcased in July, but we're going to have a different scent that we are yet to decide on. And it also comes with the Farmhouse Riser as a separate purchase. That will be able to showcase your pieces month after month. Now, the standard DIY box is $55 and it comes with 3 of the samplers of Fusion Mineral Paint. It also comes with the foam brushes and the sandpaper to complete your project with these beautiful, already sanded, prepared for you wood pieces with the stencils already laid out. So we're trying to make it easy to include everything that you need and these stencils with the instructions, and we do have a video tutorial to showcase as well.
So you can head to our website at homeworksetc.ca, click on the monthly DIY box tab, and it'll take you right to our subscriptions where you can check out our standard monthly DIY box. We also have a deluxe box too with some extra added goodies. So check it out. We hope to see you in the DIY club.